Morning, everyone. Today I would like to share with everyone the brief knowledge about Buddha's Paramita wisdom, emptiness. In Buddhist philosophy, when we say emptiness, does not mean everything is empty. It's based on selfless. There is no I, there is no you, there is no we, there is no them, there is no subjective, there is no objective. It is a whole embodiment. It means when reaching to the level of bodhicitta, to the Buddha's Paramita wisdom, emptiness, whatever happened to all the being, the suffering or happiness, is all interconnected, is related, is no separation. Paramita Buddha's wisdom, emptiness, actually is based on this selfless. It's based on great compassion. It's based on related truth to ultimate truth. So how can we easily understand the fundamental Buddha's wisdom, Paramita wisdom, emptiness? The simple way to understand that, according to Buddha told us, emptiness means everything is possible. The good deed we did now will bring the good result in the future when the right condition arise. The bad deed I create today, it also can cause us the bad result in the future when the condition fulfilled. So the most important to understand the Buddha's Paramita emptiness wisdom is through understanding the principle of the cause-effect, karma principle. With this karma, the action, the behavior action we accumulate before us, continuous now, and bring forward in the future, that will bring us an interconnected relationship, finally have an outcome. So emptiness, Paramita wisdom means everything is possible based on the karma principle. With the right intention, with the right attitude, with the right action, result will be ultimate good in the future. Because of this karma principle, because of this Paramita emptiness principle, that's why all the beings can all liberate themselves, attain their Buddha nature one day. Because all the seed of attaining the Buddha nature already within the sixth realm of sentient being. Just whether or not they actually initiate action to discover, to execute, to practice in order to have a final outcome, attain the Buddhahood. So because of this emptiness theory, it can explain why all beings can attain their Buddha nature. That is my short sharing today of emptiness, Paramita wisdom. This Paramita wisdom is awakened one's enlightened wisdom, is Buddha's wisdom. The Buddha is not only Sakyamuni Buddha. The Buddha is mean all the beings, if they awaken their inner wisdom, continue practice, all the beings can attain the Buddha nature. So I wish by my short sharing explanation about emptiness that also can help you to have further understanding about Buddha's Paramita wisdom. Everything could be possible based on karma effect. hope next time you will continue to join me again to discover further wisdom of the Buddha. Thank you.